Are you ready to streamline your fiber installation process? Discover how the NGA Last Step Fiber Scoping Form V2 can transform your project planning. Learn to ensure route, equipment, and site conditions meet all requirements. The NGA Last Step Fiber Scoping Form V2 is vital for final stage planning. It ensures routes, equipment, and site conditions align with project needs. Using eAuditor, you can record details and capture photos easily. This digital tool replaces cumbersome paper forms. Export completed reports as PDFs for seamless documentation. To get started, launch eAuditor on your mobile device. Navigate to the Template section and create a new blank template. This template forms the foundation of your scoping form. It helps organize your data effectively. Ensure all necessary fields are included for thorough assessments. Begin by entering basic project information like name and location. Confirm the site address and access permissions. Accurate site details are crucial for successful planning. Ensure all information is up to date and verified. This sets the stage for a smooth installation process. Evaluate the fiber route to ensure safety and viability. Check entry and exit points and confirm pathways are clear. Inspect existing infrastructure like ducts and poles. Accessibility and absence of damage are key factors. These checks prevent unforeseen issues during installation. List all necessary tools and materials such as fiber cables and connectors. Conduct a risk assessment to identify potential hazards. Document risks related to traffic, environment, or access. Use eAuditor to add photos and comments for clarity. Collect signatures to validate the scoping form. Completing the NGA Last Step Fiber Scoping Form V2 ensures a comprehensive plan. Export your detailed inspection as a PDF for easy sharing. With this guide, you're equipped to handle fiber installations efficiently.